girl, you're so fine.
This is the Eksa E910. In this review, I'm going to be letting you know my thoughts on the Eksa E910, and I'll be talking you through both the positive and the negative aspects of this headset. The product arrives in this purple packaging, and inside the package you'll find the following items: one E910 gaming headset, a USB dongle, one 3.5mm audio cable, one Type-C USB charging cable, a carry pouch, and a user manual. This carry pouch is made out of a leather-like material. It does actually feel quite nice to touch, and it looks and feels premium. You do get two drawstrings on the bag, but for some reason they don't seem to fully close the bag. At the front of the bag you'll find the Eksa logo, and around the other side there's some contact information if you needed to contact support. Now this headset is multi-platform compatible, so you can use this on laptop or desktop computers, Macs, PS4, Xbox, and even Nintendo Switch. In the instruction manual, you'll find some detailed information on how to connect each of these different devices, but it looks pretty straightforward to me. I'll be testing out these headphones using a computer. I do put a lot of work into these reviews, and I hope that the information found in these videos is helpful. If this video is helpful to you at all, please consider helping this channel by clicking on the thumbs up button. And if you're into tech reviews like this, you could even subscribe. The headphones themselves are made out of plastic, leather, and metal. The actual ear cups are a solid, rigid plastic, and the ear cushions are made of a leather material, and they're really thick and squishy. These ear cushions are 3 centimeters thick from the base. This part of the headset, which is adjustable, is made out of solid metal. There's a very big range in terms of the adjustment here. You should be able to get these headphones to fit you no problems. There is a bit of movement in the ear cups, and they can pivot and rotate just a little bit to naturally fit over your ears. The headband itself is cushioned, and the left and right ear cups are labelled. Each ear cup on the back has this red section which is lit up. As far as I can tell, there's no way to customize this lighting, so what you see is what you get. On the left ear cup, you'll find all of the buttons and controls. There is a volume wheel here, and this button here is to mute or unmute the microphone. This is a USB-C charging port, and down here you'll see the microphone, which actually sits inside of the headset. This can be extended, and it comes out about 7 centimeters. This is really convenient, and I think I prefer this design to a removable mic, because with this microphone being inside the headphones, you can't lose it, and it's always there when you need it. I do wish that this microphone did extend a little bit further out. I would have preferred to see this a little bit longer. This is a microphone test of the E910 headset, and the audio you're hearing right now was recorded directly using these headphones. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of an idea of what the quality of the microphone sounds like on this device. Listening back to the audio from the microphone test, I think the quality was not too bad, especially considering the price of these headphones. And the actual sound quality of these headphones also really impressed me. The headphones sound rich in bass, and the audio is both crisp and clear. It's actually not bad at all for listening to music, and of course it also works well for video games. There are better quality headphones than these, but in terms of the price that you're paying, you're getting a really great quality for price ratio here. I am going to give you an audio test to show you what these headphones sound like. This is the top of the range Sony headphones, and I'm going to compare the audio from these headphones directly with the Eksa E910. To be clear, this is not a fair comparison, because these Sony headphones cost a considerable amount more than these Eksa E910.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fill me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger.
Now, not everything on these headphones is perfect. Personally, I didn't really like the fit and feel of these. Keep in mind that everybody has a different shape, head and ears, but for me, the headset just felt a bit weird over my ears and the individual ear cups didn't quite fit over each ear. Having said that, these headphones didn't leave me with sore ears or a headache. It just felt a bit awkward when I was wearing it. The headset also feels a bit loose, and if I move my head a little bit too enthusiastically, the headphones could slip or change position. In terms of battery life, these headphones take around 4 hours to charge, which should give you about 10 hours of use. This is definitely another weak point for these headphones. Depending, of course, on how you're going to use the headphones, you'll probably find yourself charging these once a day rather than once every few days or once a week. Hey, there's one cool feature of these headphones that I haven't mentioned yet, and that is that they do actually talk to you. There is a little voice inside the headphones that'll tell you when it's turned on or off and when you're connected to Bluetooth.
Power on. Surround sound on. Microphone off. Microphone on. Power off.
To sum up these headphones, I think you could do a lot worse. Even though for me, the comfort wasn't great, but I did get used to them over time. Both the audio quality and the microphone quality was very good on these, and I also really liked the carry bag that came in the packaging. I do wish these headphones had a longer battery life and that the headset microphone extended out a little bit further. Let me know in the comments what you think about these headphones on the Before You Buy Guide. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.